Hello to my subscribers and anyone that's new watching this video. I hope everyone's well. As you can guess from this the title of the video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what's in the greenhouse. Greenhouse will be taken and I might video a bit more, but foila greenhouse dekhaimu. So foila tape sehta dilai. Then greenhouse zainu loin. Winter make sure you then cover ogu sutailio, because if you don't, it'll get quite messed up. Amra cover gonna story gese. I have to look down aslam, but Marabbai, as you can see, he's made his own one. So and it's worked out actually really well. So so let's see what's in the greenhouse. So I'll open the doors. So we দেখতে পারদাই গ্রিনহাউসের ভিতরে মাশাআল্লাহ একবারে পুরা rainforest হয়ে গেছে with the plants. It's quite windy today as well. Okay, so first of all, Nagamori's gas after the high. Nagamori's mashallah would say, and about full of the root. And we got another one here. And how about a Korea was a Pakahoita Malaga Senaki. So go to Uter. And we have some black chilies here. Halamori Sendahoy. These are really beautiful. We actually have some green pepper. I think planes passing by. Green pepper would sit in the rear. And it's a monocle Shadamoris. And you know, Bangladesh or Sisinda, mashallah, tigase. I'm not going to see Gasigu Morizibo, and I take it to it, but mashallah, would say, when I wrote it, I'll go with it from the rear. We got some actually, no, I separate that. So we got some more naga plants here. Nigur abo fulo uter and naga moriso utse. We got some here. I think there's like different types. Then the Kia Faro. I'm not sure of all the different types that there are. And it's a shop to Nagamori Sorgaseno. It's a shop that I would say. This one, mashallah, the Nagamoris are huge on that one. I'll try to get a closer look. It's kind of difficult because so that's the greenhouse, and I'll show you guys what's outside. So I'm going to leave the door open. I'll actually show you greenhouse takhle zakulia rakyo, because batashe it helps to pollinate the plants. Gasre pollinate kore and morisuri sakiaro utbo. Plus bumblebee bees honeybees, different types of insects could go in and out. So leave the door open. Obviously if it's a really cold day, then close it. So bara ase o mori sorga fen lagai sinto. And oh no, that's it. Turse, wait. So we've got some more peppers here. No gasa भी सुंदर लगे. Got some Megamoris gas outside as well. Rooted. And oh, ono ekta begunor gaso dekhchi, begun uthiyese, mashallah. I'll try to find it for you guys. So these are all the ones that are outside. So here it is. This is the first one actually to grow, and looks really nice. So I wanted you guys to see the tomato plant, the one that I was actually planning to cut down. Mashallah, it's doing really well now. So let's take a look. I actually noticed one more while I was looking back at the video, so I thought I'll show you guys this one as well. And I just asked my mom because it's kind of weird, they're not purple in color. So these ones, ita manoko turasha dao, ita normally gunayaki. So I think these are like some kind of white type ones. So finally, I wanted you guys to see the bash khudus. These ones are the ones that my mom took off today, and I'm not really sure the name of this khudu. You guys might know it. I don't know every single particular names for every single khudu she plants. And this one actually I broke trying to take a picture for Instagram. Unfortunately, I broke it and I didn't bother taking the picture anymore. Yeah, but that's the video for today. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Please obviously like it if you did, and subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you guys soon.